ChatGPT o3 can solve problems that took previous models multiple attempts in a single pass. For business users, this means faster and more accurate analysis than ever before. Feed o3 your business data and ask for a SWOT analysis, competitive assessment, or growth strategy. Its extended thinking traces through the logic step by step. You can see its reasoning. o3 handles complex financial scenarios, revenue projections, unit economics, and sensitivity analysis. Upload a spreadsheet and ask, what happens if we raise prices 15%? Build a custom GPT that connects to your data sources and generates weekly business reports automatically. I'll show you the exact setup with live data connections. Full screen tutorial showing o3 analyzing a real business data set, generating insights, creating visualizations, and automating a recurring report. Download my ChatGPT Business Prompt Pack in the description. Subscribe for weekly AI for business tutorials and advanced techniques.